The causes were their treatment systems, whether they were faulty, not working correctly, or out of service. This root cause analysis is going to identify why there are violations of the Clean Water Act.
That environmental advocate says the York County food processor violated state and federal water regulations. Hanover Foods wastewater treatment facility is accused of discharging unsafe levels of pollutants into Oil Creek in Hanover. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has issued a consent order to address the problem. Fox 43's Rachel Yankunis reveals how water pollution violations may have been going on for years.
To the naked eye, this looks like any other creek, a water source for livestock that runs through several communities. But Oil Creek in York County has been quietly polluted for years. Hanover Foods is accused of dumping wastewater from its plant on York Street that hasn't been properly treated.
It's affecting water quality in Oil Creek, downstream Cadorus Creek, and ultimately Susquehanna River.
Ted Edgenitis, executive director of the Lower Susquehanna Riverkeeper Association, noticed the pollution and filed a lawsuit against the company.
I was in the creek. You can see algae and scum on the rocks. You can see suspended solids. I actually saw a rainbow trout, seemed to have some discoloration going on. So, there was presence of pollution there at the site.
FOX43 reveals that between May 2016 and June 2021, Hanover Foods discharged unsafe levels of contaminants into the creek, at times more than 1,000% higher than what's allowed.
Their treatment plant is inadequate, so you're seeing violations for nitrogen, total suspended solids, fecal coliform.
The EPA is taking legal action. Agency inspectors noted a digester, which breaks down food waste, had been operating under less than optimal conditions. They also noted several warning lights that would have alerted the company to potentially failing equipment. Repeated calls to Hanover Foods.
Hi, Stephanie. This is Rachel Yankunis calling again from Fox 43.
Were never returned. This farm is right behind the wastewater treatment plant. We spoke to the owner, who did not want to go on camera, but he tells us that he's concerned because his cows drink from the creek and they use the water for irrigation when they plant vegetables in the summer.
I have heard reports of cows in the area getting sick that are drinking water straight from Oil Creek.
When would there be required serious action? If it's not fixed in X amount of years, it could be detrimental to X, Y, and Z. Are we at that point yet?
I think this is the action, right? We filed the lawsuit in court. There is, in fact, a lot of pollution coming out of this plant. We're going to make sure that they are, held accountable to fix it.
The State Department of Environmental Protection has brought several enforcement actions over the years against Hanover Foods for similar violations. The company has until April 5th to submit an engineering evaluation to the EPA and present a corrective action plan to address the issue. Fox 43 reveals issues that affect you and your family to keep you informed. If you have a topic you want us to investigate, send me an email at fox43reveals@fox43.com.